Welcome to another Mailosaur tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how you can automate workflows that rely on email or SMS communication with Cypress. Mailosaur lets you create inboxes to handle email and SMS messages in one place, including setting granular permissions to manage who can access what. Each inbox comes with its own domain name for receiving emails, plus the ability to associate phone numbers to receive SMS messages, including alerts, notifications, and one-time passwords. In this video, we'll be testing a travel website, similar to Airbnb, but the same principles apply regardless of what products you work with. The workflow involves booking a trip to Japan and ensuring we get a booking confirmation email and SMS message, plus creating an account along the way. At the point of creating an account, we need to enter an email address. As long as it uses the domain name that's linked to our Mailosaur inbox, we can use any email address we like. This means you can use a unique email address for any test case, user, or product without any setup required. As part of account creation, we're prompted to provide the 6-digit code that has been emailed to us. If we head back into Mailosaur, we can see the email has arrived. Mailosaur automatically extracts any content it finds, which includes links, codes, attachments, and so on. So to finish our workflow, we can use this 6-digit code to create our account. Then at checkout, we can use the phone number associated with our inbox to ensure we receive a booking confirmation via both email and SMS. And just like with email, any content is automatically extracted. We'll now use Cypress to automate this whole process in just a few minutes. Here's our Cypress test, which is already configured to perform all the steps up to sign up. Let's add Mailosaur's Cypress plugin to proceed further. From a terminal window, install Mailosaur's official Cypress commands by running npm install cypress mailosaur. Next, open the commands.js file, found inside the support folder, and add this line to the end of the file. Finally, we need to add our Mailosaur API key to the Cypress config file. You can quickly create a new API key in the Mailosaur dashboard. We're now ready to use Mailosaur commands in our test. The Mailosaur getMessage command lets us wait for an email to arrive at a given email address. We can provide additional search criteria, such as the subject line, to narrow down our search. Now, we can add a few more lines to use the 6-digit code from the sign-up email and complete the process. Next, we'll complete our booking, providing our phone number at the same time. We can now wait for the booking confirmation email and perform any assertions we need. At this point, we could also navigate to any links found in the email, such as amending our booking so that we can test user actions that commence from the email. Finally, we can do the same for the SMS booking confirmation. And with that, we now have full end-to-end coverage in Cypress. We can now run our tests as normal. So that's all you have to do to get started with Mailosaur using Cypress. Hopefully that was helpful, and let us know in the comments or drop us an email if you have any questions. We will have more of these coming for Playwright, Selenium, and more, so keep an eye out for those.